How to add GIF in Canva. So if you want to add GIF in Canva, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and you need to just go with Canva. So go with canva.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with the document in which you would like to add the GIF. Once you open the document, you need to go with a new tab, and here you can simply search for the GIFs or select the GIF that you would like to add. So I'll just simply go and select any image. For example, I'll go with this one. I'll go with this GIF right here. So once you've selected the GIF that you would like to add, you need to just right click on it, go with save image as, and here make sure that you've saved as GIF file and then go with save. And once the file has been saved, you need to go back to your Canva, and here you need to go with uploads, go with upload an image or video, and select the GIF that you've just downloaded, go with open, and now you can drag and drop this, or you will also have a plus icon. So just wait for a few seconds, and here you need to go with the tick or drag and drop, and that's it. The GIF has been added. That's how you can add GIF in Canva, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.